Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
The T-Roc R-Line 2.0 TDI 150PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in an Ascot Grey finish and it looks remarkable. The car has one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle with a clean exterior bodywork. We have the stunning alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, creating a really captivating look to the vehicle. A fairly spacious boot capacity, you can actually fit a pram inside of here once taking advantage of the additional height underneath, and you also have storage space for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console and USB-C inputs. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display, we'll touch on this soon, and as you can see we have the Soul and Flint Grey and titanium black interior upholstery with the R-Line embroidery. An upgraded panoramic sunroof which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for all year round. The multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like your driving data, audio and navigation. You also have the ability to configure the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into our drive mode selection with the 4 different drive modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings, enable you to get to that perfect driving position. As you can see here, going into our park distance control, we have our parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse, where you gain access to the upgraded rear view camera as well. As you can see here, we also have the heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. Separately controlled, so there's no arguments there, and a dual climate control which allows you to simply swipe your finger to adjust the intensity of the blowers and separately control the temperature. You can also synchronize this with the master switch over on the driver's side. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.